As if carried in the palm of an invisible hand, crates glide through the halls alone. The machinery knows where they have to land and which supplier is waiting for them. As soon as handling technology is mentioned, people immediately think of the classic conveyor belt. However, this represents only a mere fraction of what we plan and produce. In fact, we design and complete highly automatic and automated systems for a diversity of industries. This automated transport world is created here in Holzhausen, Upper Austria, by the Schwingshandl company. The various components are assembled in a vast production hall and subsequently result in lifting systems, robot arms and transport belts. The Co-op in Switzerland and Edeka in Germany have highly complex logistic facilities, where crates that arrive at the end customer in roll containers are pre-packed, sorted into the required sequence and palletized. It is these processes that we supply. Moreover, Schwingshandl not only serves the foods industry, because its handling systems are equally suitable for automotive groups and retail chains. Indeed, the company's fitters are in action worldwide. What is so interesting about my job is the fact that I travel a great deal. Finland, Spain, Hungary, Europe and more or less the whole world are on my itinerary. Work on site commences with the delivery of the system, and my task is to coordinate where it will be installed and who does what. Dominik Pirifellner has just returned from a job in Finland, but even beforehand he was no stranger to the cold. As in food logistics halls, he works in temperatures of -30 degrees Celsius. These keep the products fresh, but they also mean that Schwingshandl has to meet special challenges because not all materials can withstand such Arctic conditions. Steel, plastics and other materials have to be tough, and prior to system startup, we partly test them in cooled containers. Moreover, it's easy to understand that not just the hardware but also our personnel are subject to stringent demands. Such systems have to be assembled and commissioned at -30 degrees Celsius, and it's not difficult to imagine that installing a light barrier with the fingers in such cold is far from simple. 42 people are employed in Holzhausen, and the company is looking for additional engineers, designers and developers. The order situation is positive, and plant enlargement is planned, which will involve a doubling of the size of the production hall, as well as additional offices, rest and communication areas for the staff. The latter will allow the discussion of particularly tricky tasks, as these are continually being received. Very few people know that we supplied a system to the Linz Musical Theatre. In fact, we provided the entire machinery for the scenery store, which meant both the transport system and the lifts. The store holds containers measuring 8 by 4 meters and weighing up to 5 metric tons. The flats are heavy, but Schwingshandl ensures that they arrive in the right place without a scratch, and well before the curtain goes up.